Marsilio Andrino experienced a miracle attributed to Mother Teresa. Andrino was sick for 2 years before it was discovered he had 8 brain abscesses. He and his wife asked for the intercession of Mother Teresa. On December 9, 2008, Andrino woke up with a severe headache. His doctors recommended emergency surgery. When he was wheeled into the operating room, a miracle occurred. Andrino felt an overwhelming sense of peace. The headache went away. The doctors decided to wait. A scan the next day revealed he was cured. The cure cannot be explained by science. I was sure that it was Mother Teresa who saved me, Andrino told reporters. Mother Teresa will be canonized on September 4th. Thank you for watching our exclusive California Network Daily Briefing. Please subscribe to our channel and tell us how much you like our news in the comments below.